Hello friends, the new video is here for both the classes 8th and 9th. This topics related to chapter 1 of class 8th as well as chapter 1 of class 9th. How to find the rational number between two given numbers. We have two methods. First is common denominator method and the second one is mean method. When we will talk about common division method, we have to subdivide into three parts. Common denominator method, the first part where the denominator, we don't have any denominator, or we can say the denominator is having the value of 1 only. The second is same denominator and the third is different denominator. Let's start with the no denominator, or the denominator is 1 in this case. Find four rational number between 2 and 3. As we know that both are having the denominator 1, so no need to do anything else. You just put denominator 1 in both the cases and multiply directly with 10 only. Don't multiply with any other number because the calculation is easy and it will give you the answer most of the time. So we will multiply 10 in numerator as well as in denominator and we get 20 upon 10 and 30 upon 10. Now from 21 to 29 you can choose any number which is required. Like here I required only 4 numbers, so I can take 21 upon 10, 22 upon 10, 23 upon 10, 24 upon 10, or I can move from 29 towards 21. Now we will take the second part where the denominators are same. So let's take one another question. Now we have to find the four rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. So again I have to use the previous method. Here also again I have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. So I get here 20 upon 30 and 40 upon 30. Again I have to choose any number from 21 upon 30 to 39 upon 30 as the requirement of the question. As in this question it is required 4 numbers, so I can take 21, 22, 23 or 24 upon 30, or I can go from 39 to 21. One more case I would like to discuss. If the same digits we are having and I have to find out 25 rational number, so how could I? As I told you that you have to multiply it by 10, but by multiplying by 10 I get only 20 by 30 and 40 by 30. I am not able to get 25 numbers in between 20 and 40. So what should I do? I have to repeat the same step and I have to again multiply it by 10. So my resultant will become 200 upon 300 and 400 upon 300. So we can get the desired answer now. So if you find this type of problem, so you just multiply it once again it by 10 to get relief with that problem. Now let's start with the last. Find four rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. Here we can see the denominators are not same. So I have to take the LCM of 3 and 2, which is 6. So I have to make 3 6 as well as 2 6 by multiplying 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. So it will become 4 by 6 and 9 by 6. Now I have to find out four rational numbers, but there is a problem because from 4 to 9 I have only the three digits here, 5, 7 and 8. So I remember that my teacher has told me to relieve these type of problems we have to multiply it by 10. After multiplying it by 10 I get 40 upon 60 and 90 upon 60, and from 41 to 89 I can get any number and I get the desired answer. Let's start with the last method, which is mean method. Sometime in the question paper it is written that find the rational number by using the mean method. So you have to follow the mean method to find out that particular answer of that particular question. Here I have to find out the rational number between 1 and 2. So that is very simple method. You have to add both the numbers and you have to divide the two numbers with 2 only. So as you know that 2 plus 1 will become 3 and the answer is will become 3 upon 2. The same method we will follow if the number is in rational form. 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. I have to add 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 in numerator, and denominator I have to put 2. As we know that if we want to add the rational number, I have to make the denominator same by taking the LCM. So it will become 2 plus 3 upon 4 upon 2, and by adding 2 and 3 it will become 5 by 4, and 2 को जब आप reciprocate करेंगे so it will become 1 upon 2, and 5 by 8 is the answer. By the single video the topic is complete. You have to revise it to get the perfection in this particular topic.